This course is designed for small businesses and entrepreneurs that want to make a lot of money with paid search advertising. Now, if you haven't used AdWords before, or if you're just not quite comfortable with it yet, that's okay. You're going to want to check out the first two sections, AdWords Basics and Intermediate AdWords. They'll get you up to speed. If you feel like you already have the hang of AdWords, then go ahead and skip to the Industry Insider section. That's where we get into the really juicy stuff. You can learn the basics of how to work with AdWords from a lot of sources, but this course is the only place on the web that I'm aware of where so many critical secrets are laid out for anybody to see. If you want to skip to the part where you can get advertising credits from companies like Google, Yahoo, Bing, Facebook, Twitter, and more, then go ahead and skip to the appendix section at the very end of the course. Please let me know if you have any suggestions or complaints about any aspect of this course. I want to make this the best course on the web for teaching small businesses and entrepreneurs how to make a lot of money with paid search. So I can't wait to get your feedback.